Welcome to Wiki General. In this tutorial, we will show you how to connect Messenger to Instagram. Before starting the video, if you are the new user on this channel, please subscribe our channel. So let's go toward the video. So first we have to open the Messenger and go to your profile. Click on the profile icon and scroll down, and you see the option account setting. Click on it. Once you click on it, it will move you to the next page, and this you scroll down it and click on the account center. You see the option account. Once you click on it, it will move you to the next page, and in the next page you see the option add account. Are you also remove any existing account from this? So click on add account to add a new Instagram account with the Messenger. It will suggest you the account which is already logged in the Messenger. If you want to continue it, click on it, but I want to add a new account, so therefore I click on a switch account to show you. So here you put the username and password of your account which you want to enter. So it will connect your Instagram with your Messenger. So click on confirm accounts. So this is the way to connect your Messenger with Instagram. If this video is informative, please subscribe our channel and like a video.